Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best handheld steamer and lint remover on the market, the Electrolux steamer for clothes. If you're tired of wrestling with stubborn wrinkles or struggling to keep your clothes looking fresh and presentable, this device promises a powerful, fast, and easy solution. Right out of the box, the Electrolux steamer impresses with its sleek, portable design. It's compact enough to fit comfortably in your hand and light enough to carry anywhere. Measuring just 6 inches long, 5 inches wide, and 10 inches high, and weighing under a kilogram, this steamer is perfect for home use or travel. What really sets this steamer apart is its impressive 1500-watt power that heats up ultra-fast. You only need about 30 seconds before it's ready to deliver continuous steam for up to 18 minutes. This means you can power through multiple garments or even larger fabrics like curtains without constantly waiting for reheating. The steamer features a ceramic sole plate designed to glide smoothly over fabrics, effectively removing wrinkles and freshening your clothes to a like-new condition. What's great is its versatility. It works on a wide range of fabrics, from delicate silks to heavy cotton, making it suitable not only for clothing but also for bedding, upholstery, and drapes. Another thoughtful addition is the 2-in-1 fabric and lint brush attachment. This handy feature removes lint and fabric pills, ensuring your garments don't just look wrinkle-free but also neat and clean. It's an all-in-one care tool that saves you time and effort. Safety and ease of use have clearly been prioritized. The steamer employs pump steam technology, so there's no leaking or spilling, whether you use it vertically or horizontally. Plus, adjustable steam levels give you full control to tailor the intensity based on your fabric and needs. The extra long 12-foot cord adds to the convenience, letting you reach anywhere without being tethered close to the outlet. However, keep in mind this model is designed for 110-volt outlets, so if you plan to use it outside the United States, a voltage converter may be necessary. When not in use, the steamer comes in a heat-resistant storage box made from recycled materials. This box is perfect for storing the device even while it's still warm and is also gift-ready with an elegant, reusable design. In summary, the Electrolux handheld steamer combines power, speed, and thoughtful features in a sleek, portable package. It's ideal for anyone looking to keep their wardrobe wrinkle-free and lint-free with minimal hassle. If you want a reliable garment steamer that's easy to use, safe, and versatile, this model should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.